Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to heal yourself. On how to hear yourself. I've been playing a little bit too many video games lately, I guess. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is find the mic that you have in your audio mixer that you want to listen to. Go ahead and right click it, go to advanced audio properties, and it'll pull up all the different microphones that you have. So I guess it really doesn't matter at the end of the day. And then just press monitoring on. So there you go, monitor and output. And now I'm going to turn that off really fast so you guys don't have to listen to me twice. But now you guys will be able to hear yourself to kind of check if your mic is where you want it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.